My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 Mitsubishi Shogun Sport. This vehicle has done just over 30,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, and to the right we have our cruise control. We also have automatic headlights, automatic wipers, and a keyless ignition. On our touchscreen we can get quick access to our main features, which include mobile apps, smartphone integration, Bluetooth audio and GPS. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our dual zone climate control, as well as heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, you can see that it comes with 7 seats in total, all of which are full black leather. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.